We, the students of Vinod Gupta School of Management, were honored to have amongst us Mr. Ramesh Joshi,
Honor for me also.
yeah, Senior Vice President and Head Business Development, UltraTech Cement Ltd, RMC Division. Sir, we would like to ask you a few questions for the
Sure.
budding managers of our country.
Sure.
So the first question is, how RMC is changing the face of Indian infrastructure and engineering projects?
Very good questions, very close to my heart. Um I will just explain this. Ready mix concrete is basically a version where the normal concrete is made with a lot of problems, and this is totally computerized process. Because it is very important to understand what is ready mix concrete. Today, what happens when people are doing it site mix concrete? There is no control on the what ratio the things have to be mixed. Okay, adulteration people do it, and then what happens? They throw everything on the road. Okay, this cause a lot of issues and other things. In ready mix concrete is a factory made product, okay, which is with the proper mix designs are done as per the customer expectation. Things are designed, and there are different kind of products available. Not only for normal concrete, we are selling to various divisions. You just think India is just growing. We are making airports, ports. We are making metro rails. Now high speed rail train is coming. Okay. So these requires a very high specialized quality of people, the quality of concrete, the service, and various other aspects. So we have around 24 special products, and we are one of today we are the preferred supplier because I can just give an example like metro. We out of there is 7 metro they have told us to set up the plant for themselves. Although they are themselves are big companies like L&T or NCC or ITD, but because they know that we can produce what kind of quality we produce cement, and then further we are specialized in concrete. So they have given us this opportunity, and now we are getting repeat orders. So whether it is port, whether it is airport, whether it is metro, and now high speed also. From last 2 years, we are in touch with them. That what kind of requirement Japanese have because they prefer a very good quality. So we are preparing ourselves to contribute. So in a way, wherever whatever is being built in the country, UltraTech is there.
Thank you, sir. Sir, our next question is, how challenging is it for a company to go through a merger or acquisition?
I think yes, it's a difficult but interesting question. Uh, I will say that the challenges start with the after the merger, because it is not more to do with the financial and other parameters. Generally, they are taken care of, but I think it is something to do with the one thing is with the attitude of the people, and second thing, when you are acquiring a new company, it is like a new alliance. You have to understand them, then you have to align them. Okay, UltraTech is a super brand. UltraTech's quality systems, UltraTech's value systems, UltraTech's safety and environmental controls are at a totally different level. So it's basically, I feel it is very important that in these merger and acquisitions, that after taking over, how do you align people? How do you make them to work the way the customer expects us to do? We have to ensure that kind of price premium which we have, they should also have the habit to get that, the value system which they add to customer. And over and above that, I feel that it is very challenging from the perspective, but our company and management is great to do the things the way it should done by dealing with the feelings and emotions of the people who are getting acquired. Generally, the company which is acquired, the people will have a lot of nervousness whether I lose the job, whether this company will give me a better future, or I don't know anybody. But I have proud to say that our company and our policies are such that our systems ensure that all these insecurities are taken care of, their skills are built, they are aligned to our policies, and then they become a part of the mainstream. And after that, you don't know whether they belong to the acquired company or a company which is acquired. And it is very challenging, but I think we are lucky enough to have this kind of management and our people value system who takes care not only for even the employees, even other stakeholders. Like we have dealer network, we have influencers, we have different people. They different dealers and channel partners have different issues, different thought process. How do we ensure that their interest, their business is protected? They are also aligned to our policy. So right from employee to dealers, every stakeholder, we have to take care of them and align them and ensure that they do a good job.
Thank you, sir. So one last question. How was your experience interacting with the student of Vinod Gupta School of Management, and what message would you like to give our audience?
I think the experience was great. And anyway, when I meet the young generation, I always feel more young. And I found they're very curious, they're very attentive, and they are very open to learn. And one thing which I like today is I found that generally people ask basic things, but I found that some people are already experienced, so they are talking about cement and concrete. There is somebody who's talking about safety. There's somebody is talking about motivational and leadership quality. I think I was impressed by the variety of the questions and the people, and I was very happy to see the number of women employees. It was really great that a good number is there. So I think it was an overall great experience, and I'm thankful to you, all of you, for that.
Thank you, sir.